Hello everyone, welcome to LoharTalk. So in this video, we are going to start with our first hello world in TypeScript code. So before starting with the TypeScript, please install latest version of Node.js and Visual Studio Code IDE. So I suppose you have installed Node.js and Visual Studio. So here I'm going to create one new folder and I will name it to hello world. So just double click and at address bar, just click on CMD. And here I'm going to install the TypeScript. So for that I will use npm command, npm install, and we will install it globally. So for that G and TypeScript. So it will take a little while. So here we have installed it. So for to check the version, just type tsc TypeScript compiler and double dash v. So right now the current version of TypeScript is 2.9.2. So here just create one new file. So you can use code main.ts. TS for TypeScript extension. So it will open in Visual Studio Code and it will create a main.ts file for you. And here I will just write one JavaScript function log, and it will take message as a parameter and just log into the screen. And here we will call this log function with parameter as hello world and save it. Now go to the command prompt and here we will compile this TypeScript code. So again we will use a tsc command and we will write main.ts. So it will compile this main.ts code and convert all the code inside that into JavaScript code. You can see this, you can open your hello world folder and you can see it generate a main.ts folder. So if you just open this, you will see it's just a JavaScript code. So now just run this function. So we can use a node for that. So node main.js. So as you can see, our message is getting print in console. So that's it for this video. I hope guys you like my video, and in next video I'm going to discuss about how we declare variable in TypeScript. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.